Sayang, boy.
Tabi muna. Meron tayong special dance. Mga galing Pilipinas.
Kaya ito lang ka rin ba yun? Gilaw, taga rin. Alam mo na. Uy,
Kumuha ka na ng isa. Oh, bakit? Kailangan may remembrance tayo. Tumayo ka raw. Ay, kunin mo yan.
Let's go. Tabi muna kayo. Mga dapat yan. May dancer tayo.
Ay, video natin yan. Okay, wait.
Roy, pasok, Roy! Dancer ka eh, pasok! Ay, na, gusto na kayo! Ayos na! Roy, pasok, Edward! Pasok! Kailan lang kayo pumawi?
Dito walang pumasok. Ano ba?
Hoy!
Apat ninyo. Pagka pa nagkikita, dinadagain ako na lang sila. Tapos sabi pa ng mga kasama, waya! Waya! Pasa mo, wala!
Warm up ka muna! Good luck! Abe! Go! Sablay talaga si Jeff.
Halika na dyan dito. Dito ka. Dito na. Para may ano ka. Halika!
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Pare, 30 years. Si Marlon naman, si Marlon! 30 years? Si Marlon! Pare lang tayo natin. Mga 40 years from now, 30 years. Sasayaw ka na rin dito. Si Zumba! Si Mantani!
Dapat mag-form field tayo ng ganito dito eh. Oo. Every Sunday. Hey! Isa pa! One more!
Meron pa!
Palakpakan naman kayo dyan.
the video in the YouTube. I got a YouTube. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is in the YouTube. And then you can take a look on it. Okay. Yeah. What's it? Yeah, but just Google my name, Mario Padin. Yeah. The one that I did yesterday.
Aguaglione innamorato, Moscognizzi sanguaiato, Spugliatello col papà. I love you, I love you, I love Napoli, io voglio giuro, o mare, e voglio Napoli, io voglio fare l'amore, ma sembra Napoli.
Palakpakan naman dyan, oh.
Tina mambo napoletano, pizza, pazza, spaghettino, dolce, espresso e cappuccino. Napoli, I love you, you can dance with me.
Yan ang mga dancer ng Carson City. Palakpakan. Thank you.
Stay. Walk them down. Walk them down. There you go. Hey!
30 seconds.
Wait, 30 seconds. Last 2 minutes.
Ganda ng laban, parang championship league.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Knockout.
Ba't kilos mo?
Hold on.
30 seconds.
30 seconds variation.
That's count. Yeah, we're up by one.
Last 2 minutes. Sinabi kanina. Sinabi kanina. Last 2 minutes tayo. 30 seconds.
Pinabasing niya, pala may oras pa.
Okay.
Receiver.
Yan.
1 minute and 9 seconds. No foul. Yellow ball. Hold the ball. Maganda laban. Time out.
Good call, good call.
31 seconds.
Good call, Red.
Now, 63. 64. Time, 31 seconds.
Maganda lang yung defense mo. Nasa harapan ka naman. Pero okay yun, good decision yun. Good shot yun. Boy! Boy! Lumuha eh. Salaksak mo mo, hindi ka lang ano. Hindi ka na
Red, no more time out. Yellow, one more time out.
Pag pumasok si Mario, tandaan nyo. Hindi nakuha yung nagkakapon. Iba yung pagkarimon. Iba yung hindi nakuha. Hindi nakuha.
1 seconds. Remaining 30 seconds. Yellow, may time out pa kayo.
Shoot! 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 Hey!
2 points.
pala
Foul red.
dapat pinawa. Ba't pinawa nyo na
2
dito?
foul.
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Masyadong maingay.
Score 63-60.
May
One more
number
free
6
throw.
na yun
Ready,
eh.
jump.
Ginagaya nyo eh.
Ah, man.
Foul.
Nauna pa ng rebound yun. Kuha nyo pa ng rebound, no?
2 seconds.
Si Boy!
22.
Champion eh, di ba? Champion.
Graduate. Graduate number 22.
Magaling. Good combination.
Who?
Graduate number 22.
But, you know.
One more shot. Ready, jump.
And then after that, you have a performance, right? Yeah. Dancing. After the game.
Score. Yeah.
Good job. Kunin mo yung pangalan ko.
Maraming salamat.
Mario pa din.
Write it down. Mario.
Oh, no.
Kung gusto mo, palista pa dito sa 3-point shot.
Lista na yan dyan, Edward.
Available ba?
Ah, PDIN. Mario pa
Malaki
din.
ang premium. Trophy.
Din. Good job. Din.
Marami tayong
N.
pagkain ngayon.
N. November, N.
May isang buong lechon. Huwag kayong alis. Baka hindi na ito.
N. Like in November, N. Patin. N. Like in November. N.
Meron pa tayong ano dito. For sale na t-shirt. $10.
Eh.
$10 t-shirt.
Bonfire kami ulit sa gabi. Kasabay niya.
Din. Oh, I see. Padin. The one that I posted yesterday. You had a cell phone right now? Yeah, you look at it. The one I posted yesterday. Yes, okay. I posted some the game yesterday.
T-shirt. Meron dito.
Yeah, you can take a look on it now.
Independence Day. Jersey.
Yeah.
Akaboy.
If you have the cell phone, you can search now. Just go YouTube. And then Mario pa din. Right. And then you look at the game yesterday. I posted it. Yeah.
Warm up na, warm up.